How to apply for Kotak credit card online. To apply for Kotak Mahindra Bank's credit card online, you can visit their website by simply going to kotak.bank.in. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once you're here on their website, this is the interface you'll see. Tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side and just navigate to cards and just select credit card from here. Now here you can see the option to apply for a credit card. If you've already applied, you can track your existing application as well. Make sure to read everything that is necessary about the credit card, all the requisites and various type of cards actually you can see, right? So there'll be different type of cards, so you can just tap the apply now button at the top. Choose your exclusive card that you want. You'll find a joining fee, annual fee, already applied, the card benefits, requirements and different type of cards basically. So tap the apply now button, agree to the terms and conditions, fill out the form, verify your phone number and you'll be able to apply for Kotak Bank's credit card online. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.